And I need you.
Now tonight.
DoorDash.
Sorry. Most of the time. To be fair, it is a very good. How could you forget about my cats? I just want to say something. On stream, you had 4 Long Island ice. Huge confession. I was lining some. Sorry. Starting now. Are you gonna be here for the eclipse? Sorry, I had to burp really bad. So that's what I'm going for. Jesus Christ. Never mind, Mitch. Medicine cat.
That's probably for the
These nuts.
upon Metarar.
It's all falling out, man. Oh my god.
Alright, what's the next?
Wait, what the fuck? I'm not doing.
Oh, my fat vagina.
Oh my god, that hurt.
I don't know what
Oh my god.
Oh my god, is that groovy going?
And you could be,
You're relocating.
More sign.
No, just fucking air.
You and Cam eating
Man, speaking of. Feel free to lurk. This is not like as in. And so I have to go back in and like it's kind of hard to. Hype train's closed for the next. So. You believe in the Vermin Supreme? Something is happening, man. I'm sorry your parents give you no private. I burp a lot also, that's part of the lore. Struggles with celebrity? Yeah, dude. Excuse me.
My vice at the moment is just being sad.
Oh my god.
I get mad when Ebe fuck.
You know what I'm saying?
Winning!
Ah, it would be so cool. I'll take your brain.
Play like
You know? I need the win.
better be all your.
Something like that. Okay. Man, Chris, you're in. Oh my god. Besides. While I was dating. And that's when everyone's gonna tell me, like. How can you be studying when you're so cool? Feel different, I guess. Dude, I'm suffering right now. I have hiccups too. That's not.
Worms.
You know? Dude, help me. I'm dying.
Stop.
Oh my god. Holy
suck
fuck.
my.
You know?
Yes. Fertility.
Yeah.
No.
Someone told me that I fell off a wall.
Yeah, baby.
Excuse me. You know what I'm saying? Bitches be like me.
I wrote it also.
What?
Okay. True. Quite frankly, you are left. While I wait for Cameron to finish his fucking. He's my. Okay. Do you guys just like.
I don't know
Carl.
that.
My mom's.
Actually,
There, are you happy?
these nuts.
Excuse me.
Yeah,
That makes sense.
today's fried chicken.
Oh my god.
Jesus Christ. You know what I'm saying? Well, Spotify's always fuck you. That.
We love the queen.
I have hiccups. You never cosplayed in tech.
Should raid more.
Do I have to surf? I spent all the, like, the very little money I had. I'm glad you are home. Shove the glass noodles in my mouth. Retweet. Have a good drive, Scratchy. Make sure everyone's on this train. It's
Yo, mama.
you know. First one to stream. Jesus Christ. Okay, that's. I'm getting so many awards.
Once.
I feel like Kill and Feet both don't need.
Match.
I understand.
So now I do like a hybrid thing.